Hi guys, I'm Kid Blue Station and I'm presenting the White Maiden to you. This house was built by me and this world belongs to Lloyd. Well, come in. As you can see, we're at the entrance now and behind you is a piece of pink cotton. I share the shade but Lloyd plays it. It looks really ugly. It's pink, it doesn't match the white. And my skin currently is the white Enderman. Come on. Come on. JK. And as you can see, this is a room with glass panel in case there's mobs outside and we can see them, especially creeper. You know, try not to go near them when you see them in case they blow up. Let's go upstairs. Right now, we are at the second story, which is a room for us to sleep at. However, the room seems plain because we just built it and we still have yet to decorate. And don't worry, we will decorate. Well, let's go down. And here we have a space for Lloyd to make his spell. It's a cube from about 5'5", enough space for him to put cauldron and brewing stand I think. But I hope it'll be alright, although it looks a bit cramped. And lastly, we have a huge chunk of dirt here. And we are still upgrading the basement. Let's go upstairs. Let's finally wrap up the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And hope you enjoy this. Kid Blue Station signing out.